Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Tablescape Tuesday. It is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Emerson's Adventures. So come along with me as I show you my tablescape for this Tuesday. Okay, now I'll tell you a little bit about my tablescape. My centerpiece, I have a vase here from the Goodwill. The flower is from Burlington. The two ring circles on each side are from Ross's. The glasses here are from Goodwill, and the glass with the gold is from Home Goods. My placemats are from Home Goods, and I'm gonna try to lift this up. The placemats are from Home Goods. My charger plates are from the Dollar Tree. And the beautiful plates, dinner plates, are from Goodwill. And I showed these in a haul last week. I love, love, love the dinner plates here. I think I paid either 99 cents each for them, I think. The salad plate is from Goodwill. The bowl is also from Goodwill. The napkin ring is from the Dollar Tree, and the napkin is from Home Goods. The gold spoon and fork are from Tuesday Mornings. Well, it always wanna do what it wanna do from Tuesday Mornings. So this is a very, very budget-friendly tablescape again. As I told you, you do not have to spend a whole lot to do a beautiful tablescape. As you can see, this here was very budget friendly. And I have it layered 4 times, but it was still budget friendly. I want to thank the design family for coming along with me today. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm going to ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to ring that bell so you will be notified of all of our upcoming videos. Again, I want to thank the Grace Life Home Decor and Emerston's Adventures for inviting me to be a part of Tablescape Tuesdays. You all make sure you go over and check out the ladies' channel. I will be leaving all of the information in my description box. This is Emma, and I'm gonna be seeing you in my next video.